Model: 66-plate Ford Transit 350L3H3 Mk8 rear-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps spares OR repairs low miles body, white, panel van mileage, 69,461 MOT. The 31st of May 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts and runs with a misfire. Timing belt has slipped. Timing belt would need replacing. This is a simple repair on this engine and reasonably cheap, still drives really well, but wouldn't advise. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 3 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £11,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.